Here comes the sun. Doo 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 doo. Here comes the sun.
Oh, I'm back to turkeys.
Oh!
Too fast.
Alright, let's see how this is. Alright, so I'm gonna try a trick I've never tried before. It's always scared the crap out of me, and this box is super baby and small, so I think I can do it.
Back to turkeys, filming on point.
Ski Dog is back, if you guys can't tell. So stoked to have the doc back. He went on an epic little family trip or whatever, and now he's here helping out. He's gonna be at summer camp, I believe today, the last day to sign up for camp, week 2. So sign up for snowboard camp, I think it's today. Last week, or last day to sign up for it. So sign up for camp. If you missed out this year, we'll do next year, but Michael will be out there the entire time. So if you did sign up for camp, get ready to rip with the boy. It's gonna be a great time. And overall, we're just excited to hang out with you guys and just have fun in the summertime and do what we love most, which is be on a board, sliding down white stuff.
Yeah, it's a little different than Florida.
But all right, with all that being said, enough talk. I'm ready to snowboard with Michael, because like the pace is different. We're super thankful for everyone that did help film, but like this is the boy, you know, like we have our,
we got the little groove going.
Yeah,
you know,
it's
like
just
those close shots, like
all of it. Like when I
fun.
land and I make eye contact with Michael, I'm like, yes.
too fast.
Dude, that lap is so fun. It's almost as cool as today's sticker shout out. We got, still got the name, but this person rocking the crazy light white sticker on the white snowboard, looking insane. Thank you to whoever you are that snagged an Evolution sticker. As well as we got Jack X Ross with another crazy light sticker, just hanging out with it. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. If you want a sticker, they're all linked in the descriptions, as well as our hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, guys, any of the merch, it's all linked in the description. If you do snag it, you support the dream, especially in the summertime when the views, the subscribers, everything that goes on, which is awesome in the winter, dies in the summer. But I get to connect with you guys more, which is what I love the most. But if you do snag it in the merch, tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram for bonus extra content. Like you would know, the gnarly weather's about to blow in on us, and it might end our day early because I don't know if I want to be in that.
That thing looks angry.
So, and it's coming in quick, so we might get 1-2 more laps with this awesome sunshine, and then it's gonna get brutal. But guys, follow the Instagram, support the dream. You guys already know the spiel. You guys are the ones hanging out, spending time with us. So we're stoked that Ski Dock is back, and hopefully we get a little bit more sun before we get puked on. No. Alright, let's see how this is.
Hopefully you get a lot of snow.
Yeah, Michael's hoping we just get puked on like 3 inches in a couple seconds and get to rip some pounds. It's starting to puke! So we got one of our like notorious kicking the cameras because Michael gets those close-up shots, and this is the first time we hit the camera and it knocked the battery out, so that's why it literally went to like black screen. So cool, we're good to go. Good job, Michael.
Yep.
We love his like super close skatey. Dude, no one films like Michael. Yesterday I took Roman here, check the video out. Honestly, that weather wasn't as bad as we thought it was, and it looks like we're about to get blue sky again, so that's good. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun. Michael did call Chipmunk though. He's got adult stuff to get to. I got adult stuff to get to. Springtime is awesome because we get to get out, we still get to snowboard, but then we get to tie up loose ends and things. Also, Michael really wants to see my studio, which is super sick. If you missed the studio tour, check the video out right here, but I fully remodeled it. It's 100% up and running, and it's so insane to have a studio for the YouTube channel. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe because we'll be making some sick resort reviews this year. All right, let's get this. Get it. So I'm gonna try a trick I've never tried before. It's always scared the crap out of me, and this box is super baby and small, so I think I can do it. It's called the Michael Jackson. Basically, you jump onto your toes and slide the box on your toe side edge. It's crazy. So be behind me and low.
Yeah, how's his knees gonna be?
Hopefully I don't eat it. All right. So stoked to be out here ripping with Michael again. It just feels right.
Feels great. It was great.
And the sun came back out. That wave looks even worse than the first wave, so we're out of here. Well, we outlasted the people that parked next to us. Honestly though, guys, the best part about this spring riding is sunglass riding. I used to never snowboard with sunglasses on, but I highly look forward to it every year now. The Midwest kids do it all the time. I still wear goggles sometimes when I go out there, but I love shredding in sunglasses. I am gonna say it again because I think it's this day. I'm ahead on videos and Mother's Day and all this type of stuff. Like snowboard camp, I think this is the last day you can sign up for snowboard camp. So if you're interested in it, if you're like you have to be 18 or older, and if you're a competent rider, you can snowboard down like blues and blacks, like S-turning, and you want to get into park, you want to get better at snowboarding, freestyle riding, buttering, all of that stuff, like camp is perfect for you. Especially like, dude, if you're 45, 50, like that's fine. Like that's a fine age group to come to camp. So do it. Hang out with Mike and me. Woo. And we'll have a couple other assistants throughout the time at camp. Gonna be a crew this year, and it's gonna be incredible. Last year camp was so much fun. Check out a video from camp last year right here. And make the decision, sign up for snowboard camp. I'm really excited to meet you guys. Not even like to teach you guys how to be better at snowboarding, but to like get to know you, have those conversations. Because we go ride every single day together, then we do an activity together, and then we go back to the crib, we eat dinner, then we do video breakdown. We watch each vlog together. It's super cool. And I just want to have those experiences with you guys. So sign up for camp. Enough plugging. Mike, thanks for filming. Ski Doc is back, but you're not tuning.
No, but sign up for camp.
Yeah, but the Ski Doc is back, hanging out with me. With that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another daily video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.
Whoa!